Well, hey, hi. I'm going to teach you, I'm going to teach you how to graph a system of linear equations. Here, we have y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals 7x minus 4. So, where do we begin? Well, we need to find a solution for that system of equations. Typically, you know it's a system if it comes with a bracket. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is look at the equations. Every linear equation is going to follow a slope form of y equals mx plus b, if it's the slope form. You don't need to know about that right now. So, y equals mx plus b, where b is the y-intercept. Key piece of information. We're going to need to look at the y-intercept to begin to graph our system. So, first y-intercept. Y equals 2x plus 1 plus b. 1 is the y-intercept. So, you can go ahead and put a point at 1 on the y because it's the y-intercept. Alright, the next part of the equation has 2x. Well, the 2 before the x is the slope. That's the incline the line goes up by. And you can always imagine every slope as rise over run. But right now, it's kind of like, Adam, there's only a 2 there. What's the run? Well, you could just imagine for a second that it's 2 over 1. So rise over run, we're going to go 2 up and 1 over. Point right there. Then we can go 2 more up and 1 more over. And that's kind of how we're going to make our line. Now, as you can see, we've graphed the first equation, so go ahead and throw an arrow there. So, we're going to do essentially the same thing for the next one. Y equals 7x minus 4. Well, we know our y-intercept, minus 4, so 4 down. Start with our first point. 7x, that's rise over run, 7 over 1. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up, and 1 over. And look at that. The point that we just made happens to coincide with a similar point from the last line. That's exactly what we needed. So we plot our line here, and we figure out, if I would draw a little better, gee, these pass the same point. At 1, 3. So, that's the solution.